Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can getting a song into CapCut. So I'm using CapCut for PC, and after you open it, you are just going to click import and prepare the song that you want to add to your CapCut. For example, I already have one MP3 file. Just click and click open. So the music has been added to your CapCut. Alright, just drag to the track to edit the song. Alright, that's how you can getting a song into CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching.